Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while again since I last uploaded a video on this channel. But I'm back again, I guess. I want to make my excuses for not uploading in a long time again. I want to change it, but I'm going on holidays soon and then there's more chaos. I'm quite a busy man at the moment. I am gonna upload more on this channel, don't worry. But today, I got an amazing idea. A video that you guys all love. I'm gonna do a full POV video today of the Focus RS. Because I know you guys love the POV videos. I do also know that the police doesn't like my POV videos, but I don't really care about it.
That's so cool!
I need to check a few things on the car and then I should be good. Then I can take the car out for a spin. Right, I switched to the GoPro, so now it's time for the POV. There's one thing I need to check on the car and that is actually the tire pressure. Because I got a leaking tire, or at least the air is leaking out of my tire. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's a little bit... Nah, it's actually quite alright, but I'm still gonna check it for my own safety. My dad actually bought a small compressor to get some air out of it. And that's actually coming in pretty handy, because now I can give my tires some air. Well, I hope I fixed my tire pressure for now. It's supposed to be on 2.8, now it was at 2.6, 2.7, sort of like that. So it's not too much, but last week it was around 1.5 bar and this is on 2.8 right now. Actually all four need to be on 2.8 when you don't have any passengers or anything. So I'm just putting 2.8 bar in all tires actually. This is not the only tire that is leaking. I got another tire. That is this tire. It actually has a screw in there. I don't know if you guys can really see it. I think you can on camera. But as you can see, there is a screw in my tire. But it's not losing any pressure or anything. So I can still drive this thing with all the risks. Yeah, the only thing, I don't think I can really go full send with this thing. And with full send, I mean top speed. Yeah, I can't hit any top speed, I think, with a screw in my tire. Because then I probably total this car and I actually don't want to do that for this video, I guess. So now before we go, I gotta open the garage door and move my GTI out of the way. Because otherwise I can't get this car out. The cold start is so shit with this thing now. For the people that don't know, this is what my stock exhaust is sounding like. As most of you guys know, my car, it usually had a straight pipe, but I had to remove it. But I explained everything. It still smells like a straight pipe. But yeah, it's super quiet, unfortunately. Gonna change that in the future though. Yeah, that sounds more like it. And it's a stock exhaust. Alright, let me warm up the car and then we do a few pulls with this thing. Right, as you guys can see, the car is finally warmed up, so I can do some nice scents. And it's actually quite nice weather outside. And it's hard to talk and shift again, but it will all be alright, man. We're gonna make a nice POV video of this one. Remember guys, I still got a screw in my tire, so of course this video is recorded in Mexico, but I'm still driving the speed limit, of course. Well, it still surprises me, and I'm gonna say it every video that I drive this car, it still surprises me on how well this car takes corners. You don't need aftermarket coilovers or anything, because the stock springs and everything is just amazing, man. For a stock car, it's really impressive. Literally, the corners are the best thing about this car, and a little bit of that pop and banging sound. What is this? Is it like an old Corvette or something? No, it gotta be something American. I think it's a Pontiac. It's not like my straight pipe GTI, because that thing sounds amazing and extremely loud as well. But it's actually a decent sound for a stock exhaust. For a stock exhaust it sounds quite nice, especially on the tunnels. And those pops and bangs, it actually sounds amazing. Sitting in traffic or at the red light is not the best thing, because first gear is a little bit annoying in this car. Or maybe I just got a skill issue, one of the two things, but it's not the best thing in this world. Same as talking to a camera and shifting. Yeah, it's not the nicest thing in the world, this first gear. Ah. Bro, the car in front of me is like a Audi A4 from the 90s or so, or it says an Audi 90. It's a 1.9 TDI, but it smells like a crazy ass diesel, man. From all the way from Mexico to home again. Yes, we're home again. I'm gonna show you guys my parking skills. It needs to be in the garage over there. Bruh. The turning radius of this car is insanely f***ed up. It's like a big truck. Right, wait, let me turn on the light a little bit. Better. Let's give it some pops and bangs. Yes, mate, yes. It's turning a little bit hot right now, as you guys can see over there. It's at around 100 degrees. Let's cool a little bit down. And it smells like exhaust gases as well. Also, let's put the GTI back into place over here. Oh, it's hot. Mate, it's so hot in here. I wanted to do that manual shake on the gearbox, but this is an automatic, so I can't. Ah, look at that view. POV in the GTI with a Focus RS in front of you that I also drove. Man, what a life, what a life. Oh yeah, you can clearly see that I don't drive the GTI. There are spider webs everywhere, man. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're everywhere on the car. And the car is super dirty as well, but that is something for another video. All right. Nice. Okay. And that is it. This was pretty much it for today with all the POV stuff and other things. Well, this is far from the limits of the car that I drove today. You can actually push this thing like crazy in the corners and also on a straight line as well, I must say. It's a pretty quick car off the line with launch control and all that stuff. But as you guys know, I can't do all that stuff anymore because I got in trouble with the police and all stuff like that. Blah de blah de blah blah blah. I already talked about this in a few videos. Basically, if I do some crazy stuff with cars again, like drifting or anything else, like swerving through safety lanes and all that stuff, I'm getting I'm getting jail time. And I don't want to go to jail, but I also love you guys, so I still want to make POV videos, but I don't want to end up in jail, like I said, so I can't do all the crazy stuff anymore like I used to do on this channel, unfortunately. I also want to say again, sorry for not uploading in a long time. I'm actually quite a busy man at the moment. I'm trying to figure out so many things at the same time that I'm just getting a brain error as well. After my vacation, that is around the end of August, try to pick this stuff up again, this whole YouTube thing, because I enjoy this YouTube thing way too much. But for now there are too many things going on that I can't focus on YouTube all the way. Just gotta figure out some stuff and then I can go back, upload some YouTube videos again. Well, I'm not going to talk for too long, so I appreciate all of you guys supporting me, supporting the channel, still after me not uploading for a long time. I just want to say thank you guys for the support in my Instagram DMs, on my other socials and YouTube as well. So I want to thank you guys for that, and with that, yeah, I got nothing else to say, so enjoy the day, see you guys later. Man, it's like a f***ing sauna in here, man. It is hot as f***, man. It is hot as f***.